So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show about how you can do sum and division in Excel. So open a new spreadsheet, okay, and put some numbers, okay. So first I'm going to show you how you can do a simple small math calculation, and then I'm going to show you how you can do a big math calculation. So the small math calculation, put is equal to, okay, and put 50, okay. I'm not telling to put 50, okay. You can put your own random number, okay. I'm just joking, okay. So put plus 50 plus 40 plus 30 is equal to, obviously is equal to 170. Yeah. So um so how can I do a big math calculation? So put some random numbers, okay. So then copy this table, and in previous videos I have told you that how you can create a bar chart in Excel. In that time I told you that to use quick analysis. It is very easy to do all the things, okay. In quick analysis you have all the things like charts, totals, like that, okay. So now we are going to do totals, okay. Click on quick analysis, totals. Last time we have used charts. Now click on totals and click on sum, and you can see that it obviously shows, it automatically shows the answer, okay. So I'm going to change this as 40, and the answer will be changed, okay. So I'm going to do all some uh, I'm going to change all the things, okay. Okay, you can see 359, okay. So this is some big math calculations, okay. So so I have told you how you can do in Excel. Now I'm going to show you how you can do in Google Sheets. Who does not have who doesn't have Excel, Microsoft Office, I can tell you, okay. So go to Google Sheets, okay, and type some random numbers. And before I'm in this also, I'm going to show you a small math calculation, okay. So then again put equal to 50, okay, plus 30 plus 20 plus and 60, okay. So it's equal to 160 degree, sorry for the degree, okay. So 160, okay. So 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 I'm going to show you a big math calculation, but but in this Google Sheet the quick analysis will not be coming, okay. So we should do by manually, okay. So I'll show you. So like that, put some random numbers, okay. So after put the random numbers, okay, again copy this table, okay. And in this here you don't have quick analysis. In this ribbon you have to go to last, and you can see this called functions. Click on functions, and you have you can see sum, average, count, maximum, minimum, okay. So now we are going to click on sum, okay, and we are going to do enter, okay. It's 501, okay. 15501, okay. So I again in that time how I changed the numbers. Now also I'm going to change the numbers, okay. It automatically changes, okay. Okay, so it is 375, okay. So this is very easy, okay. So I have told you how you can do sum in Google spreadsheet and how you can do in Excel. So next I'm going to show you how you can do division, okay. So delete this table, okay, delete these numbers, okay. and delete this also. Okay, so so before that, first we are going to see about a small thing. Okay, small math calculation. Okay, in division. Okay, so is like that is full form uh, is equal to full form. Okay, is if. Okay, if. Okay, okay, if sum. Okay, if I put sum, you can see sum. Okay, for for subtraction, you should put product. Okay, product. For subtraction is product. Okay, so like that. Okay, but the videos are coming how to do subtraction and multiplication in the Excel. The videos are coming. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Okay, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Okay, so again do 50. Okay, no, I'm today now I'm going to do 80 divided by 2. It is obviously 90. Okay, so for sum it is plus, and for division is slash. Okay, enter is equal to 9. So I'm going to do again is equal to 90. Okay, by 2 is 45. Yeah, 45. So I'm going to do 90 by 3. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. I forgot to put is equal to. Okay, 90 by 3, 30. Okay, so in this division also you can do in spreadsheet like this. Okay, again open the spreadsheet. Okay, put is equal to, but if you forgot to put is equal to, the math calculation is wrong. It will not, the sum or the count will not show you correctly, and will not add or divide. Okay, so make sure you put the is equal to symbol. Okay, then 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. Okay, and 20. Okay, now I'm going to put 20. Okay, sorry for that. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so yeah, it is very very interesting to do all the things in Excel. So Excel spreadsheet, and you have, so those who want to do, those who want to work on Excel and they don't have Microsoft Excel, what you can do means you can go to Microsoft, or you can in web you have to type office.com. Okay, office.com, it will open and you have to create a new account. Okay, if you create a new account, it will the free access for it will give you a 365 office. Okay, you can't download. For download you have to pay for using in web. Okay, so whatever things I'm doing in my app you can do in web. Okay, but i I'm telling that i- it is hard to do in it is hard to do in web. Okay, so I have also a Microsoft account. Okay, so I have Microsoft account, so I'm using Microsoft 2016. Okay, so those people who don't have Excel, but they wanted, they have some some something a taste. Okay, to do in Excel. Okay, they can use the web application. Okay, so what you have to do means you have to just create a new account. Okay, and it will be so easy. But in comment section, if you want to put how I can create a Microsoft account, you can ask. I'll surely put the videos. Okay, so before finishing our video, I would like to tell that if I get 1000 subscribers, I will surely do my face reveal on my live. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and turn on the notification bell. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. For more videos and for more shortcuts and for more shots, subscribe now. Bye bye.